Okay, summer camp parents, we're going to show you exactly how to fill out your summer camp application in a snap. We got 5 minutes, so let's make it good. The first thing you need to do, go to www.tlapsportsacademy.com. You should have received a flyer or an email telling you exactly where to go to register. Once you get there, you need to click on summer camp registration. Once that happens, click on the yellow button that says get started now. Once that happens, you're going to come to a screen exactly like this. Put your email, first name, last name, phone number, password, confirm password, and your house address. Hit save. Once that happens, you're going to get an instant email. It's going to look exactly like this. You've been granted access to the summer camp application. Click the link. Once that happens, you have to log in. I made a dummy account so you can see exactly how it looks. So I'm going to log out and log back in. So put your email in and your password of what you created earlier. Hit enter. Once that happens, it's going to log you into the summer camp application. I made a dummy summer camp application here, but when you first get in, you're not going to have that. So you need to click on create current year application. Once you do that, it's going to populate and it's going to load. Once it has loaded, okay, scroll down, fill out this information, your information, household, parent house information, question, fill those information out, scroll up and hit households information. This is where you put your son's information. If you do not do this properly, it will not populate in campers information. So click add new member. Okay, so we're going to put John Black, enter date of birth. We're going to go 2004, February 10th, and he's my son. This is an example. Okay, you can put American, Indian, he's a male, and Hispanic, and hit save. Okay, hit save. Once that happens, it's going to save it for you. Okay, and then if you have to add an additional child, you can just go back and click add additional member. Okay, once you do that, click camp information. Once that happens, click on add new camper. If you did it properly, he should populate here, John Black. Okay, he's in the 8th grade, code 001, school 123, main 123 school. Just give you an example. Okay, no, first choice, scroll down to the T's, all the way to the T's. Okay, and you're going to select TLAP Sports Academy. Second choice, you can pick something local. Okay, for here. So once it's selected, it takes it away. You can select Salvation. Okay, once that happens, hit save. Okay, you're going to do this to every single one of your children that will be attending the camp. And there you go. It says he's eligible. All right, income guideline, income information. You will have to complete the income information. Okay, complete everything here that is attaining to you. All right, and then once you're done, click there, attachments, upload your driver's license, a copy of your driver's license, and also a water bill, phone bill showing proof, water bill, phone bill, light bill showing proof that you are a resident in Palm Beach County. Okay, you need to show that. Without that, it will not accept anything else, so you make sure you upload that. Take a picture on your phone, send it to your email, and upload it. And initial and upload. Okay, and also his birth certificate, school records, immunization records is acceptable. Hit next. It's going to save. Sign the release letter, the release form. Once that happens, sign the release form. Once that happens, you're all set to go. And then therefore, you're all set. So if you have any questions, give us a call.